Maybe I can throw in a GoPro one day inside of this thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is, I guess this is the first final one with our logo in it. It's looking pretty nice. Pretty shiny. But let me show you what we're making, guys. We are making some brackets here for the 379 body drop kits. This is the final product. So we make. There you go, yeah. This is, I guess, this is the first final one with our logo in it. There you go. Machined out of 6061 aluminum. Making some stuff. Small batch. Then we got this Kenworth finally getting whoa, 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 whoa. We caught that. Hey, don't scratch your hood. Ah, man. Anyways, we got a Kenworth. We actually fired it up last night, so we got this, we got that. I'm gonna show you. This is still in progress. We've got some big news, guys. We finally got our prototype springs. A 389 spring. This is gonna be a Kenworth W900 spring. 379 spring that does not require your hanger to be moved back 8 inches. So this is gonna be a final product pretty soon. We just gotta test fit it first. These are my that's how it started, basically. Here outside we got a nice Peterbilt flat top that has a factory front end, right? And we're gonna throw in a single bag with the skinny springs for this unit. It's gonna look pretty nice. It's got a stainless steel reefer. We're also gonna add dump valve on the back. Here we got one of the Pride in Class trucks. The skirt's being added. The visor holes being worked on. Here we got the guys polishing up the older one. It's looking pretty nice, pretty shiny. If you remember from the previous videos, that thing was white like snow. We painted the flares legendary red, but we had a little mismatch in the color, so we're gonna respray it again, unfortunately. Then we've got this truck, I guess, finished, besides the steps getting the polish job, but they're pretty much, the truck is finalized. We threw in a 18-inch bumper. This side is completed. We got the breather zone, some lights, white cowl panels, 2-inch stainless drops. We got a hidden depth tank, as you can see. Looking pretty good. Don't ask me how to fill this up. I guess, yeah, I could have extended it here, but we're trying to get it clean. We don't want anything hanging out over here. It makes it complicated. Panels at the back with the little squares. Painted the frame, made a deck plate, hookups, United Pacific fenders. Some nice mud flap hangers, center light panel. Obviously, we had to throw in the stainless pipe here, so exhaust tip. Never mind, exhaust tip, not pipe. It needs a wash. Oh, we also threw in this little watermelons in the back for the door, to clear the door. So it's kind of cool. The OG kit, obviously. We're gonna have to make a little panel here, stainless panel, to cover that frame section, or figure out some kind of stainless pipe. But yeah, we're busy, guys. We're working. We're doing a lot of stuff. A lot of things are happening. The guys are working. You can run the buffer under the cab because the fuel tanks are raised higher for some reason from the factory. The quality might be a little bad, sound might be bad, but I'm gonna be painting some stuff here. So let's make some parts. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm still learning, so don't mind me. I'm gonna set you right here. Let's bend some parts. Very simple. Make sure I bend the right way. Gotta do a little compensation. That'll do. And now gotta bend this one this way. So gotta measure some stuff first. We gotta measure the width of the bend. I guess that's important. Unfortunately, it's in millimeters for now. I'm waiting for a software update. They didn't get it right, so who cares? And we need to get the bend length for the 50. So once they hit start, watch what happens to the fingers. Watch the little fingers here. Alright, cool. But the problem is we gotta bend all the way to the end here. Because I haven't set it up yet. Back this way. now I gotta make some more parts. This is the update for this video. Maybe I'll throw in some little clips here and there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Keep watching. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Follow my Instagram, Built by Wolf Custom Trucks, TikTok, same nickname, username. And I'll see you in the next one. Maybe I'll do a little bit better on filming. So, see ya.